Insane 400% surge in Cardano's addresses. This means massive adoption is coming. Since investors lost faith in the market following the FTX crash, there has been little excitement about cryptocurrency projects. However, Cardano appeared to have turned into a safe investment. On November 13th, ADA saw a 400% increase in its daily active addresses, as reported by Cardano's attentive update provider. A possible explanation for the recent shift in investors' growing mistrust of centralized markets. Cardano is widely known as a fully decentralized blockchain, despite the fact that the ecosystem wasn't involved in providing exchange services. This has led to an increase in the variety of addresses capable of making transactions on the Cardano network. Also on that date, deposits made through the Cardano network were very impressive. Hello and welcome to Crypto Castle, where we explain everything crypto. Our channel focuses on cryptocurrency, business, the economy, and anything else that might enhance your financial knowledge. We strive to make instructive, informative, and entertaining content for you. So do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our recent videos. Today's video, we're going to talk about what Cardano's 400% surge in addresses says about the sentiment of ADA investors. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video where we will reveal an updated price prediction for Cardano. Now let's get right into the video. Like the rest of the market, Cardano's price has dropped significantly over the past few days, but the third-generation cryptocurrency is on the rise after the U.S. released positive inflation data, and it's expected to continue to rise and turn its critical resistance into support. Once this occurs, ADA's price will be at the level it was at before the drop in October. On November 10th, Cardano's price painted a green candle, increasing by 11.04% to trade at 35 cents. This increase came after U.S. inflation dropped to 7.7% from 8.2% in October, prompting investors to seek safer havens. Prices have recently stabilized around the 33 cents since most cryptocurrencies are priced in U.S. dollars. A weaker U.S. dollar would increase their value. This would be beneficial to investors. The altcoin, along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, has been caught in the crosshairs of the Binance and FTX scandal that precipitated market collapse. After a 21.53% drop, ADA broke below a key support level of 33 cents. For Cardano's price to recover and reach 0.415, its bull will be needed. Since the beginning of October, ADA has been struggling to close above this level, which marks the next critical resistance level. Assuming ADA can turn this resistance into support, it will have the energy to launch a further recovery. This 18.46% growth would require traders and investors to inject fresh buying pressure into the market, indicating Cardano is set for an upswing. The relative strength index, RSI, rose after bouncing off the top of the oversold zone. Further, regaining 0.415 would also turn the 0.401 50-day red simple moving average into support. While investors had faith in the company, the chain's current state was less than ideal. Santiment reported that development activity for ADA had slowed down. At the time of publication, the on-chain analytic platform demonstrated a drastic drop in development activity to 81.89. On November 2nd, for reference, it reached a high of 189. This suggested that optimism about the project's intention to enhance the environment or implement upgrades was still low. But the trading volume, which was obviously affected by the increase in active addresses, was leveled off recently. As can be seen in the image above, ADA trading volume rose to 495.96 million from a low of 362.16 million. This meant that these dynamic IPs have been involved in trading buy and sell orders on the network, regardless of the outcome of those trades. Moreover, ADA's value dropped by 19% in the previous 24 hours, despite the fact that none of these metrics indicated that the cryptocurrency could unexpectedly exhibit bullish characteristics initially. The price of ADA increased from 0.312 to 0.329 as reported by CoinMarketCap, but in the last day and a half it has shed 1.39% when looked at the price-DAA divergence. It appeared that the signals were in opposition to one another. Given the current price DAA state, a decrease of 42.3%, it is safe to say that the ADA momentum does not warrant a buy at this time. Similarly, the current market trend has resulted in losses for many investors. As a result, there was no indication from the price DAA that selling the asset for an unrealized profit was a good idea. Despite the fact that investors could benefit from being wary of volatility, the trend prevailed. To sum up, investors who are counting on a sizable increase may want to temper their expectations. Charles Hoskinson, co-creator of Cardano, addressed the naysayer Twitter analyst Mr. Charles, publicly ridiculed and criticized Hoskinson, alleging that the latter had made false predictions concerning Cardano. Charles tweeted on November 13th that he was still waiting for Hoskinson to deliver on his promises. Charles tweeted screenshots of a tweet from Hoskinson in which he promised a better future for Cardano once it controlled hundreds of decentralized apps and other digital assets. In addition, members of the community reacted to criticism in a wide variety of ways. There were those who agreed with Hoskinson and those who cheered the statements after the tweet was widely liked and shared. Hoskinson quickly responded to the critic. He tweeted that the irony of his critics retweeting proves that his predictions have come true despite their criticism. Since Cardano already has over 1,000 decentralized apps, 6 million assets, and 3.5 million wallets, he claimed his predictions were safe. Given Hopkinson's reputation for promptness, especially when it comes to responses to criticisms of Cardano's development, it's not surprising that he received a response to his complaints so quickly. The ADA-USD exchange rate benefited from the co-responsible founder's speedy response. Cardano is developing a new multi-chain crypto wallet. Cardano's blockchain has a reputation as a serious alternative to Ethereum. Its rapidly expanding network contributes to this perception. As a result, an increasing number of people are taking an interest in Cardano, which makes perfect sense. Lace is the name of the brand new wallet that Cardano is currently developing. If one is to believe what Hoskinson has to say, there will be 1 billion users on the network not long after the launch of the Lace. A cryptocurrency wallet that supports multiple chains, Lace is known for its ease of use and portability. The fact that it combines Web 2 and Web 3 features into a single user experience is the product's primary selling point. Cardano might benefit from the wallet's capability of consolidating identities, transactions, and applications. The increased value of the ADA-USD pair may have been caused in part by an increase in the use of digital wallets. Cardano price prediction, $88 to $3 soon? Well, this week the ADA-USD pair has been trading somewhat negative, falling from $34.35 to $32.95. Previous high for the pair was $34.75. It's currently moving closer to an area of immediate support at 0.3207, and a breach of this double bottom support could put Cardano's price in danger of falling below the support at 0.29. Indicators of future price movements such as MACD and RSI are still positioned in the purchasing zone. On the other hand, a selling bias is indicated by the 50-day moving average. A bullish breakout over the 3350 level can therefore provide additional room for purchasing up until the 0.3435 or 0.3700 level. Cardano is not likely to reach $2 in the near future, but a breakout and close of candles above 0.3535 could drive a further buying trend in the cryptocurrency. Traders anticipating a rapid profit may end up being dissatisfied as the Cardano price is projected to begin a gradual bullish recovery in the year 2022. The Dash 2 trade presale has already earned more than $6.4 million, making it one of the year's greatest token sales. The presale has been going on for less than a month. Dash 2 Trade is a platform that's based on Ethereum that aims to provide users with real-time data, as well as social trading suggestions. The amount of money that has been raised up to this point is an enormous demonstration of support for the system. The company plans to list its D2T tokens on multiple exchanges after the presale has been successfully completed before the launch of the platform in the first quarter of 2023. The past presale for this year are any indication, D2T possesses the solid foundations necessary to catapult it to even greater success. So what are your thoughts on Cardano's performance so far in 2022? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who love crypto. Also, if you want to know more about cryptocurrencies, and make sure to watch this next video on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.